You're watching the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys show, where Abby Chain helps you get and stay fit while having fun in the comfort of your own home. Abby shares healthy and delicious recipes, and there's always something new going on, so you need to hurry up and get in on the fun.
Hey everyone, this is Abby Chain with Abby's Golden Girls and Guys, and welcome to my cooking show. I am so excited to see everyone again, and I know I'm going to be seeing some new people. Why? Because I'll tell you later. Anyway, so today I am so excited to announce that we're going to make cheesy chicken chunks. Okay, so when I cook, I really like to use minimal ingredients because I'm always in a rush. We all work, maybe we don't, but you know, when we're in the kitchen, at least that's who I am, and that's what I like to do. So actually, this recipe calls for 1 egg, 1 chicken breast, 3/4 cup Parmesan cheese, and 3/4 cup almond flour. So this is the almond flour that I buy. It is blanched almond flour. I buy regular Parmesan cheese. This has a little bit of Romano. So first, I'm going to go ahead and crack my egg, just like it says to do. And by the way, my recipes will always be printed on my YouTube channel, which I'll talk about in a second, okay? Then it calls for 3/4 cup Parmesan cheese, so I'm gonna put that in my bowl. 3/4 cup almond flour, so I'm gonna put that in my bowl as well. They want you to cut your chicken in strips. So I already cleaned my chicken breast, I washed it, and now I'm ready to go. Also, you want to make sure that your oven is set at 400 degrees, and you'll be cooking this dish anywhere from 18 to 20 minutes. So I have, make sure you don't cut your fingers while you're doing this. So I'm trying to look up at the camera and I'm trying to cook and I'm having such a great time. All right, so I have 4 slices of chicken breast. I'm gonna go ahead and put them all in my egg bowl. Super excited. Like I said, very easy, 4 ingredients, and I'm gonna mix up the chicken. And then what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna go ahead and coat them with the almond flour mixture along with the Parmesan cheese. And what I did is I also got my cooking pan ready to go, and I sprayed my pan so the chicken doesn't stick. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mix the chicken. Oh God, did you feel raw chicken? Feels pretty good, very soft. And now they're all lined. I'm gonna put them on my baking sheet. So. This is so much fun. I don't know about you, but when I'm in my kitchen, I love being alone. So sometimes my handsome husband, Alan, will walk in and he knows better. He's such a great guy because he's always asking, can I help? Can I help? And when I don't answer, he knows, I know that you're in your kitchen. I will get out. So it's awesome. Okay, so now here's my chicken, the nice cheesy chunks. I'm gonna put them in the oven, once again, 400 for 18 minutes. I'm gonna go and set my clock for 18 minutes. So let me tell you a little bit about Abby's Golden Girls and Guys while my chicken is cooking, okay? So I teach online classes for adults 50 and older. I teach on Mondays, I teach on Thursdays. It's $15 for the month. Mondays I teach a chair yoga class. We hold all the poses for 20 seconds. It's fabulous. I myself have been doing yoga for 7 to 8 years now, and I just feel amazingly flexible. I feel like a Gumby doll. And then on Thursdays, I teach a class from 9 to 9:40. It involves a little bit more strength. I use hand weights, very light weights. We always work on our balance. You know, we do a little bit of low impact aerobics, so I want to get your heart rate up. And we have such a great time. In addition, I also have a YouTube channel. And if you really, really like my show today, I'm going to ask you to go to Abby's Golden Girls and Guys on YouTube and just hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. And if you really love the show, you might want to share it with your friends. Okay? Whoops! I hear the buzzer. Okay? I believe the chicken is done. Oh my God. Look how beautiful. Let me smell. Ah, it smells delicious. Handsome husband Alan, would you like to come on over here and take a little bit of a smell? Okay, no worries. He's holding the camera, but I'll bring it to him. Take a smell. Ah.
Delicious.
Delicious. So once again, well, this is great because this is going to be our dinner tonight. So once again, I invite you all to my YouTube channel, Abby's Golden Girls and Guys. Hit the subscribe if you really like it. Hit like and maybe you want to share it with your friends because that's how I grow. So once a week, you'll be seeing my cooking show. Also what I've added 1-minute instructional videos on how to do specific exercises. So if you look last week or get on now, you'll see me doing bicep curls, and it's great because many people don't use a personal trainer and they go to the gym and they just start picking up weights and they think they know what they're doing, and next thing they know, they get injured. So go ahead and watch my YouTube channel, Abby's Golden Girls and Guys, and you'll love so much. Thank you so much for joining me in my class today. I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye!
Thanks for watching the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys show. New live videos every week. Ask a friend to sign up for a free trial at vagero.com/Abby's Golden Girls.